made a fire pit at our house. LJ wanted a fire pit at her house. So she picked a spot. Looks like they used to have a pool there. Buddy Tyler's gonna help me.
Now from which
So they're gonna figure out where they want it. Tyler, I'm gonna do a video how to build a fire pit in like under 200 bucks. You know, you can buy the kits at Lowe's and Home Depot, right? The kits are gonna come with and I'll drop a link to those kits, but they're gonna come with 12 bricks per ring, okay? 3 high, and they come with a little steel ring inside of them and all that, and it's like 250 bucks for this kit. They got some gravel with it, I think, or something. We wanted one that was a little bit bigger, so we did 16 around the edge of the perimeter, and it ended up being about this wide across the top, and it's gonna, more people can sit around it, and you can kick your feet up on it, and have the fire in the fireplace, and you know, it's not quite so hot, you know. It's just a little bit bigger, and the bricks are about $2 a piece on average. We got them at Stein's, but at Lowe's or wherever, they're about $2 a piece. So you're looking at 64 bricks for 4 rings, 16 round, and then 4 high. So this project takes about 2.5 hours, maybe. You know, you're literally going to dig a little circle in the ground, and I got like a little stake that we're going to drive, and we're just going to run a little circle around the stake with some string, and then we're going to just pull the grass up. We're going to pull the grass up, and then we're going to put gravel down underneath, like basically where the sod was. We're going to put gravel down. Doesn't have to be perfectly level. You know, just deal with your backyard however you have to. But put the gravel down. What that gravel does is it's allowing the fire to breathe. So the coals sitting down there are going to be able to suck air through that perforated gravel. You know, that air is channeled through that gravel, and then it drains, washes the ash out after, you know what I'm saying, after, you know, it kind of starts to accumulate. And also it's going to allow it to breathe when your fire's there, so it doesn't try to put itself out because it can't breathe. I got it time lapsing, so I guess y'all can just stick with us. I wanted to talk, since we're kind of, I'll let the girls decide, because you could either just stack them straight up, you know, like this, and have the outside edge the same, but these got this lip on it, right? So whenever you're buying the bricks, you want to make sure you look and see if they got this lip or not. If they got that lip, then if you set them stacked with the edge straight on the outside, then by the time you get to the top layer, it's going to be starting to do this, right? It's going to start to kick the bricks like this, you know, as that step keeps growing for each layer. So what these are designed to do is kind of walk it in, and that adds a little bit more dimension to it. And that's the way the girls want it, you know. But if you look in here, it kind of steps it in. So it gives it dimension inside and out. I think we're gonna go with it stepped in like that. I think it's gonna look good, so we're gonna try it. All right, guys, so we're still learning. We tried to, you know, stage them in, and I guess hindsight 2020, you know, the circle got smaller and we didn't have enough space for 16 bricks. We're gonna have to split a brick in half to make to close the gap. So we backed up to punt here. So now we're just doing the we put the lip facing down on the bottom level. We flip the brick over on the next level and face the lip up, and we're going to do that level, the second and third level, lip facing up, and then with the fourth level we're going to push it in a little bit and stagger it. And that's how we did ours at my house. I guess what we should have done, if I'd have known this problem, we would have bought stones from somewhere that didn't have a lip. You know, it would have been much easier. You don't want the stones with the lip. So we're learning. This is our second fire pit. Can you believe some husbands buy their wife a silly ass diamond earring?
I know, I'd rather this. I'd rather both.
Silly man.
I'd rather this. I want something I'm gonna use. I don't even go anywhere. What if you could set the fire wearing diamonds?
Alright, so what? We just open these and pour it in?
We did it!
Good job, team. Hey, y'all wave at the camera real fast.
I mean, this is like when we netted the mahi.
Team
like,
mermaid all the way.
What? We should have a little crop mermaid team.
Alright, so what do we do? Just
now
pour it in and
pour
raise?
the stuff in.
Cool!
You want to get up? You're just sitting there with your chihuahua.
Yeah. Every crew needs an evil genius. Right?